Sergeant, weather message, National Weather Service Huntsville AL-138 PM CST Monday, January 8, 2024. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan Marshall-Jackson DeKalb Cullman Moore Lincoln Franklin TN including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cullman, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan 138 PM CST Monday, January 8, 2024. Wind advisory remains in effect until midnight CST Tuesday night. Watt. South winds 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour expected. A few gusts may reach 55 miles per hour in the higher elevations, where all of North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee, when from 3 p.m. to midnight CST Tuesday night. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects, and